It's the Texas Weather Outlook video for Monday, July 24th, the morning version. Good morning to you guys. This is Donovan Neal here. North Texas had a very great soaking rain for much of the DFW metro, and there is a chance that some of those storms may stick around for the remainder of today in the form of scattered storms. Here's a water vapor satellite loop. You can clearly see the convection across North Texas. This is mainly caused by the weakness in the upper level ridge. And so there's a lot of cool air in the upper levels, and that's causing a moist unstable air mass. Here's the radar at 5:23. You can see a couple of lingering showers and storms here and there in North Texas, mainly in DFW. But down to the south, near Waco, Temple, and Kleene, you may see a few isolated showers and storms here and there, even a flash flood warning right here as well. So most of the south getting what we're getting right now. Temperatures as of 5:06, Arlington 74, DFW 77, already starting mild today. Most locations are already in the 70s, mainly 74 and 73. Take a look at the watch warning map. Up in the north, we have a few red flag warnings for parts of Idaho, Montana, and Wyoming. If that's correct, not Wyoming, Washington, Oregon. And we have flash flood watches for parts of Nevada, Utah, Arizona, and Colorado, where they're actually in their monsoon season. But for us down here, no heat advisories for today, which is great. However, that can quickly change later in the week, and we'll talk more about that later. Risk for severe weather today. We have 3 areas, one in the southeast, one in the north, and one in the mid-Atlantic states. For us, we will continue that risk for thunder, but no organized severe weather is expected. And tomorrow, risk for severe weather for parts of Wisconsin and Minnesota and parts of the Dakotas. Again, we'll still have that risk for thunder for our area, but no organized severe weather expected. And on day 3, that main risk for severe weather shifts to the southeast, and we should stay dry on Wednesday. Take a look at the numbers for the rain for the next 7 days. This is valid through Monday of next week. About half an inch of rain generally in North Texas. Understand that your rain amounts will vary. Do note that parts of Plano and the Garland area actually received 3 inches of rain from the batch of storms that came through early this morning. So just know that your rain amounts will vary. Take a look at the tropics. Quiet as a mouse. It'll continue to do so for the next 48 hours to 5 days in the medium range. So here we go. Let's go to the models. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet off the ground. We continue a 588 heat ridge. 588 flat ridge here, but heights right here are below average, and that's and you can clearly see the moisture due to the lack of strengthness in the ridge today. So scattered storms are possible today. Here's the radar at noon today, and clearly you can see that most of the rain is escaping towards the south and east, and maybe in the north. Some of our northern counties may still see something, but again, organized severe weather is not expected if you do get anything. Understand that the radar won't exactly look like this, but otherwise partly cloudy, still hot, highs in the upper 90s. Same thing on Tuesday, but moisture values are not that great. But we could introduce a chance for a couple of isolated storms or 2. Highs nearing 100 on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, things should stay dry with highs in the 100s, mostly sunny and hot. Same thing Thursday, and looks like a little cold front dropped from the north. And will it make it towards our area? Probably not. This is Friday, and this is pretty typical to see for late July and going towards August, where cold fronts usually don't make it here due to the dry, hot air. And this is Saturday. Cold front kind of stalls to the south, and there's a chance we could see an isolated shower or storm or two from that cold front. Again, partly cloudy with highs in the upper 90s. Sunday, still the same way, and a week from today, Monday, July 31st, the end of the month. 594 heat ring to the west, troughing in the east, and down below that being a mixture of clouds and sun, and we could see an isolated storm or two. Wouldn't hurt to put that in the forecast. Here's the end of the forecast period on Thursday, August 3rd. 594 heat ring to the east, and also another heat ring to the west as well. But down here, we're still in a flat ridge. Actually, heights are about where they should be for this time of the year, and we should remain dry. Numbers coming for the next 7 days, for the next week. Today we should see highs up to approaching 100 degrees. Tuesday will definitely be 100 degrees, so we should be in the 100-degree bracket for the working part of the week, for mainly the weekdays, before cooling down to 99 and 98, and even lower as we get to this weekend into early next week. We're approaching the cooler days of summer. That's it for the Texas Weather Outlook video this morning. We'll have more notes in the blog. The next video here, AC in my house permitting. The next video here will be around the same time tomorrow morning, around 6 o'clock. Be sure to tune into your local TV station. Be sure to tune into your local TV stations this afternoon and evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.